Welcome everyone to this video where I'm going to explain to you one of my most profitable strategies, the parabolic reversals. And I'm going to demonstrate to you this strategy using one of the trades that I took the past week on MU. You can see the trade executed right here. Parabolic reversals is a strategy that is based on overbought and oversold conditions. Therefore, the main criteria that you want to see before playing these reversals are the following. 1. Extended move from the 9 moving average on the 5-minute chart. Meaning that you want to have at least 3 consecutive 5-minute candles going straight up without any single pullback after the breakout area. 2. A daily ATR must be hit. The daily ATR is the daily average true range. And if the daily average true range, for example, is $2, it means that today the stock can run around $2. After that, it could either pull back, either reverse, either chop. Of course, the stock can go higher, but the $2 is what we are looking for, or the ATR is what we are looking for. 3. A level to play the reversal from. And finally, you need to see some sort of weakness or a reversal pattern around that area or around that level. On MU here, you can see that it had 3 consecutive 5-minute candles, and each candle was big or average. You don't want to see 3 consecutive 5-minute candles, you want to see at least average 5-minute candles. Looking at the daily chart, you could see that MU already hit its average true range and even more than that, which means that at any moment it can reverse. Looking at this chart, you could see that there is a strong level that's been touched multiple times, and this is the area that I'm looking for a reversal from, or to play a reversal from on MU. Now let's take a look at how this trade was executed using the trading terminal replay feature. Here you can see that MU broke the area $61.40, and after the breakout area we're having candle 1, candle 2 and candle 3. That tells us that the stock is extended and it is parabolic. And on the 1-minute chart you could see a straight move to the upside without any single pullback. The level of interest that we're looking for is 64.13. We want to see how the price reacts around this area. At 9.46 you could see that the price reached this area, it rejected it, and it actually bounced from it. And honestly, if you gave it a try at 9.46 to the short side, after you see this weakness, a touch of the level and the rejection and a move to red, that would have been a good entry. Another possible entry for this one is around here. You could see that MU is making a double top pattern, so it's rejecting this level twice. We're initiating the entry. Your stop loss could be above the buy, above the wick, above the level. Here it depends on your discretion and how weak or strong the stock is. When I play these reversals, usually my target is view up, especially if I'm executing a trade between 9.45 and 10.30. And you can see that the stock is going to the downside. We need to respect our target, which is view up. And this target was hit a bit later throughout the day. Once the stock hits view up, you could either start taking partials or you could bail out of your position. To recap, make sure that you're looking for a stock that already hit its daily ATR and that is sitting around a clear level to play the bounce from. You do not want to play any stock that is not extended and that is not parabolic. The thing that I'm usually looking for is at least 3 consecutive 5-minute candles. Average or big ones, smalls don't count. And the more consecutive candles you have, the more likely the reversal is going to happen. And finally, look for a moment of weakness on the 1-minute chart to establish your position. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channels. If you have any question, make sure to write a comment below. And make sure to use tradingterminal.com/replay to practice your trading for free. We do not charge for the replay feature. And join us at beerbulltraders.com if you want to have more detailed educational content. And I'll see you on the next video.